Hey guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing and a first impression on all of the products that I got from iRestoreLaser.com. So I will be showing you guys their hair care and also their supplements, and mostly I'm very excited to also unbox their clinical strength laser hair growth system. So I will be telling you more details about this as we unbox it later. By the way, all of these products are great to use if you are experiencing hair loss or if you're trying to regrow your hair, because all of these products will help you treat your hair problem both internally and externally. Let's start with the hair care products and also the supplements. Okay, so what I got here is the iRestore hair growth system, and this includes the iRestore anti-hair loss shampoo for thin hair. And it says here that it nourishes hair to promote fuller and healthier looking hair. It helps prevent hair loss and thinning due to breakage. And this is for all hair types. I want to see the formula actually. Oh, okay. So it has a very clear formula. Alright, so the next one that I have here is the iRestore Anti-Thinning Conditioner. Okay, so it says here that their anti-thinning conditioner contains biotin, keratin, amino acids, and argan oil. And also, it says here that it strengthens the follicles and it combats thinning. This is paraben-free, sulfate-free, and drug-free. So their conditioner has a very lightweight consistency, which I think is great because it's very easy to lather on your hair if the consistency of the conditioner is like this. It's almost buttery actually. It smells really good. Okay, so the next one is their anti-hair loss serum. And it says here that the anti-hair loss serum is formulated with patent molecules retinsil. I'm not so sure how you pronounce it, retinsil or retinsil, which energizes and nourishes hair follicles to help promote fuller looking hair for both men and women. It actually kind of looks like a gel, and I like that it has a dropper so it's easier to apply in your scalp. Okay, so in here, along with the iRestore hair growth system, they also have the iRestore 3-in-1 hair growth formula, and it looks like this. It says here that it contains biotin, saw palmetto, and a DHT blocker. And it says here that to take 2 tablets daily, preferably with a meal. Okay, so moving on, I also got their hair gummy vitamins, and this is for hair, skin, and nails. This contains biotin, antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and coconut oil. Once again, of course, it says here that these vitamins promote thicker, fuller hair and healthier skin. It's gluten-free and vegan. I'm gonna try one. It tastes really good. Okay, so now for the finale. I am so excited to unbox this for you guys. This, as I've said, is a clinical strength laser hair growth system, and this is for men and women. Also, this has medical graded lasers, and in here at the back it says that it will help you grow thicker and fuller hair. And this is a non-invasive, drug-free approach, and it's easy hands-free operation. And also it says here that the iRestore Professional 282 is a FDA-cleared device that is intended to treat hereditary hair loss and help promote hair growth. The area shaded below represents a type of hair loss for which low-level light therapy has been clinically tested and indicated. Let's open it. Wow, okay, it looks like a helmet. Okay, so inside, that's what it looks like. The 282 lasers and LEDs make it possible to grow back fuller hair in just 25 minutes every other day. Although individual results may vary, of course, but it is said here that you can expect to see visible hair growth in as little as 3 to 6 months. Also, the iRestore Professional Laser Hair Growth System combats thinning hair and receding hairline for both men and women. The Professional has extended coverage on the back and sides, more coverage than their original Essential device and other laser hair growth devices. The maximized coverage allows for treatment in harder to reach areas like the hairline, temples, and the lower crown. So in a box, it came with an adapter, a manual, and you can purchase this portable battery separately if you want to use this device anywhere or on the go without having to plug into a wall outlet. So basically what you do is you just connect this to the adapter that came with it, just like that, and then you press on, and then that is going to set for 25 minutes, and then you just simply wear it on your head, and then you press play. And then, as you guys can see, the laser is on and it just lights up right there on your head. And also the cool thing about this is that you can pause it just in case if you want to have a break. So that is it. I do want some baby hairs to grow out here, especially on my hairline. Right here, I just want more baby hairs there. Probably it's because of my parting. I usually part my hair here, so I can see less hair here more than the side of my hair. That's why they said you have to change your parting from time to time, just because that can happen. But I mean, with the help of this device, I'm pretty sure that I can grow some of those hair back. And also it's not heavy on the head, and it's actually very comfortable to wear as well. Also, if you guys are interested, they actually have a giveaway of this. There's going to be one lucky winner who is going to win one of these every single month. So if you all are interested in joining the giveaway, I'm going to put a link down below so that you can all see the full details of the giveaway and the rules and all that. Please check out the link in the description box. Also, this giveaway is only for the US viewers, and also they have a 12-month money back guarantee, and also it is guaranteed with free return shipping, so you have nothing to lose. Also note that products can be purchased by a kit, or you can buy it also in a bundle. And also, if you guys want a discount code, they actually provided me a discount code for you all, so I'm just going to be flashing it right here. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much, freedomlasertherapy.com, for providing all of these products for me to try out. So that is it, you guys. For more information of the products that I mentioned here in the video, just click the link in the description box down below, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!